I'm back at the body shop working on a 79 Trans Am today. I have all the sheet metal hung and mocked up on the car for now. Then I found out that the passenger door is now contacting the passenger fender. I cannot get them to be kosher together whatsoever. I measured the door and the door is actually measuring longer. I held up a new skin to it and found out that the door edge on the front is the wrong shape. So I'm gonna come through, remove the door, grind the old skin off, fit the new skin, and fit the door assembly again to make sure I can get it to follow the edge of the fender. Then once that's done, I can reattach the skin and we can go on.
Thanks for coming to our YouTube page. If you like what you see, make sure to subscribe. If you want notifications, click on the bell. If you want to buy some cool merch, click on the info card, or you can click on the link in the bio.